Okay, I know it's going to be kind of hard to hear all in all with the fucking Jeep here, but if I put the cold air intake on when I first got this, and you kind of hear that little whistle when I have the, it's not at RPMs, it's at certain positions of the throttle, which is fine, but now there's a new whistle. Listen to this. I'm alternating my pressure on the pedal, on the throttle, to make it either higher pitch or lower pitch. It goes away when I go past a certain position on the throttle. So, can anybody tell me what the hell that noise is? Is it the air intake? Is it the vacuum line? I hope you can hear it. Can you guys tell me what it is and help me out? That's the one I'm accustomed to, which sounds like an air whistle. That is not. Help me out, guys.